Hello grade 7. In this video, we will explain chapter 7 in math, which is powers. Objectives. By the end of this video, you will be able to simplify expressions by using properties of power, which include product of power of same base, power of product of two numbers, power of quotient of two numbers, power of product of two numbers. Properties of power. Property 1. Product of power of same base. Here we have power a exponent n multiplied by power a exponent m, which is equal to a exponent n plus m. We add the exponent. Let's take an example. 5 exponent 3 multiplied by 5 exponent 5, which is equal 5 exponent 3. So we have to multiply 5 by itself 3 times, and 5 exponent 5, so 5 should be multiplied by itself 5 times. But this method will take long time, especially for power that has larger exponent. So apply this property will speed up the solution and save time. Let's apply property 1. 5 exponent 3 multiplied by 5 exponent 5, product of power of same number. So we keep the base and we add the exponent. 3 plus 5 equal 8. So the answer is 5 exponent 8. Let's take another example. Negative 3 exponent 4 multiplied by negative 3 exponent 2. Here we have product of power of same base. We keep the base and we add the exponent. 4 plus 2, which is 6. So the answer is negative 3 exponent 6. Another example, b exponent 4 multiplied by b exponent 10. So here we have the product of power of same base. So we keep the base and we add the exponent, and the answer is b exponent 14. The next example is fraction. 1 over 3 exponent 5 multiplied by 1 over 3 exponent 6. Here we have product of power of same base. The base is 1 over 3 is the same. So we keep the base 1 over 3 and we add the exponent. 5 plus 6 equal 11. So the answer is 1 over 3 exponent 11. Property number 2. Power of product of two numbers. Here we have a multiplied by b and together inside the parentheses raised to power n, which is equal a exponent n multiplied by b exponent n. And we can inverse this rule. A exponent n multiplied by b exponent n, here we have the same exponent, equal a multiplied by b inside parentheses together raised to the power n. Let's take an example. X exponent 5 multiplied by y exponent 5, which is equal to x multiplied by y together inside parentheses raised to power 5. The next example, negative 3 exponent 5 times negative 2 exponent 5 equal, here we have same power. So we multiplied the numbers minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 together inside parentheses and we raised it to power 5, which is equal to 6 exponent 5 or 6 raised to the power 5. Properties of power. Property 3. Power of quotient of two numbers. If we have a over b and the whole fraction is to the power of n, and that's the same thing as putting the numerator to the power of n and the denominator to the power of n. And we can apply this rule inverse. A to the power of n over b to the power of n equal a over b, the whole fraction, to the power of n. And let's start with first example, 2 over 5 to the power of 4. And that's equal to 2 to the power of 4 over 5 to the power of 4. Another example here. For exponent 2 over 3 exponent 2, which is equal 4 over 3 the whole fraction exponent 2. And here is the third example, 4 exponent 2 over 3 exponent 3. Here we can't apply this property here because the exponents are different numbers. Let's move into property 4, power of a base. In other words, the exponent of an exponent. For this, we keep the base the same and then we multiply the exponent. Here we have a to the power of n to the power of m. That's going to equal to the power of n times m. Let's jump into our example and see exactly how this works, starting with the first example where we have 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 3 equal, keep the same, the base the same, and we multiply the exponent 4 times 3, which is equal 4 exponent 12. And here we have another example, a to the power of 3 to the power of 5 equal, we keep the base the same and we multiply the exponent, 3 times 5 equal 15. So the answer is a to the power 15.